Guys, windfall audience, portion control, there we go. Actually, the bag, these cheez-it snapped. I did a review. The bag broke. Not the bag didn't break. It's the bag is so thin and crispy. The bag is just like the food. Thin and crispy, but it's so good. I almost ate the whole thing, y'all. So, but anyways, these are the original Cheez-Its, but this is portion control. Just want to encourage you, you can do this. Normally we'd use plastic containers, but they're all in the dishwasher, but I only did this because the bag broke. But see, this is good. It's basically a handful. That's more than a handful. I'll probably resituate this out. But anyways, you can portion control stuff too. So look at this. This is 4 days worth of snacks instead of just 2. So just do right. And remember, y'all, live, move, be.